video, we are cutting sticker vinyl using Vision's VR48 CNC router with vacuum table and drag knife. An option for Vision's CNC routers, the drag knife enables you to cut a wide range of thin, flexible materials, including but not limited to vinyl, rubber, paper, cardboard, corrugated plastic, leather, and more. Other options for Vision's CNC routers include a creasing wheel, oscillating knife, engraving head, high-frequency spindle, auto-raster braille inserter, DAX print to cut, and more. These options make Vision's routers highly versatile and can save your business the expense of purchasing multiple machines. Vision Engraving and Routing Systems has been manufacturing high-quality precision machines in the USA since 1983. You can be confident when purchasing a Vision. Contact Vision today for a free, no-obligation, live online machine demo